Good morning. My name is Jasper. I'm now 15 years old. I came here at Subic Bay Children's Home when I was 6 months old. I didn't know my father and my mother. Pero sila nanay at tatay tinanggap nila ako. Ginawa nila akong parte ng pamilya. And I thank God for this church na may Subic Bay Children's Home na tinatanggap kami kahit wala kami. And I, I thank kanila, Pastor, na sinisharean kami ng Word of God about salvation. And I was saved 2023. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa Panginoon na sa ministry na ito na malaking tulong sa akin na dito na po ako lumaki. Inalagaan ako, inaruga ako. Kahit kailan hindi kami tinuturuan ng kasalanan. Pag may kasalanan man, itatama kami sa tamang gawain. Now I'm 15 years old. I was helping to the ministry in Patmos Island with Pastor John Mark. Thank God by His grace. Ayan po.